Have you been thinking about upgrading your living room setup or finally buying an Apple TV? Stop exactly what you are doing, put your wallet away, and listen to me very carefully. There is a massive, industry-changing secret hiding inside Apple's global warehouses right now, and almost no one is paying attention to it. Everyone is currently distracted, looking at the latest iPhone 18 rumors or waiting for flashy new Mac updates. But while the world is looking the other way, Apple has quietly pulled the plug on their current living room hardware. They have completely stopped the flow of their current Apple TV units to stores around the world. Apple stores globally are simply running out of stock, and this is not just a random supply chain glitch or a minor shipping delay. Apple is a master of logistics, and they know exactly how to keep their products on the shelves. If those shelves are sitting empty, it is because Apple purposely wants them to be empty. They are clearing the path and making room for what comes next. And what comes next is going to completely change how you use your television forever. The crazy part about all of this is that the brand new 2026 models are already fully built. They're sitting in boxes in warehouses right now, fully packaged, labeled, and just waiting for the green light to ship directly to your front door. That green light is flashing bright right now, and we're looking at a highly anticipated release very soon, likely around April or May. Apple simply cannot wait any longer because they're under a massive, strict deadline. That deadline is the rollout of Apple Intelligence at the upcoming WWDC 2026 event. We all know that Apple had a somewhat rocky and delayed start with their AI rollout, and they're feeling the immense pressure to fix their reputation and prove they're the undisputed leaders in the tech space. They want a new, supercharged, AI-driven Siri in every single room of your house, unifying your iPhone, your Mac, and your TV to work seamlessly as one ecosystem. But there's a fatal flaw in the current Apple TV lineup sitting in stores right now. The current hardware simply cannot do it. The current Apple TV runs on the older A15 chip, which just does not have the high-demand RAM, the specific storage architecture, or the sheer raw processing power that modern artificial intelligence requires. Apple Intelligence features need to run locally on the device, not just securely in the cloud, and the A15 simply cannot handle that heavy lifting. Imagine the total embarrassment if Apple walked onto the stage in June, showed off a brilliant new Siri that can control your whole home instantly, and then had to awkwardly admit that it doesn't work on the Apple TV that people just bought yesterday. It would be a disaster. To fix this, the next Apple TV is getting a massive brain transplant. Apple is moving this living room box straight to the blazing fast A17 Pro chip. Yes, the exact same beast of a processor we saw powering the latest iPad mini and the iPhone 15 Pro. This chip features a 6-core CPU and a 5-core GPU, making it blisteringly fast and absolutely perfect for the modern smart home. Think about your current smart home devices. Right now, when you speak in your remote to turn off the lights, that signal has to travel all the way to a distant server and then come back, creating an annoying delay. With the A17 Pro chip and rumored 8 gigabytes of RAM, that completely changes. The processing happens instantly, right there in your TV cabinet. Your smart home will respond the exact second you speak. The brain is finally inside the box, turning your Apple TV from a simple streaming device into an absolute powerhouse computer for your living room. This massive hardware leap unlocks something entirely new for Apple, and we are talking about real, legitimate gaming. This is not just about playing simple mobile games like Angry Birds or Jetpack Joyride anymore. That era is officially over. We're talking about AAA titles and actual console-quality gaming. We have already seen the A17 Pro chip run massive games like Resident Evil Village and Assassin's Creed Mirage beautifully on the iPhone. Now, imagine plugging that exact same incredible power directly into your 75-inch 4K television. Apple's Metal FX upscaling technology is the real secret sauce here, working similarly to NVIDIA's DLSS to take a lower resolution image and use AI to make it look incredibly sharp and smooth on a massive screen. Overnight, the Apple TV transforms into a legitimate stealth gaming console. You buy it to watch Netflix, but you end up playing massive, story-driven games without ever needing to spend $500 on a bulky, noisy PlayStation or Xbox. It is the absolute perfect setup for casual gamers who want premium graphics without the clutter. But Apple isn't just going after the gamers with this 2026 upgrade. They're finally listening to the hardcore home theater geeks as well. For years, audiophiles have known the deep frustration with the current Apple TV. It is a fantastic streaming box, but it has severe limitations when it comes to high-end audio. People have practically begged for proper HDMI pass-through, and the leaks clearly show that Apple is finally delivering. The new 2026 hardware is expected to fully support uncompressed, lossless audio formats like Dolby True HD and DTS HD Master Audio. This means the Apple TV will finally step out of the way and let your expensive high-end soundbar or premium receiver do all the heavy lifting. Until now, you had to buy a specialized clunky box like the NVIDIA Shield to get this level of pristine theater quality. This incredible move proves that Apple wants to totally dominate the high-end home theater market and be the only single box you will ever need for the perfect movie night. And the changes aren't just happening on the inside. The physical outside of the box is getting a massive makeover too. For an entire decade, the Apple TV has basically looked like a simple black hockey puck made of glossy plastic that scratches easily and attracts dust like a magnet. Rumors strongly suggest we are getting a beautiful visual overhaul. Apple is reportedly ditching the cheap plastic and moving toward premium, recycled aluminum to match the aesthetic of their professional gear like the Mac Studio or Mac Mini. We might see a gorgeous sleek matte finish, possibly even in new color options like space black or a classic bright silver. This aluminum body isn't just for looking good either. The A17 Pro chip generates heat, and a metal body provides vastly superior thermal management to keep the box running ice cold during those long, intense 4K gaming sessions. It will look like a literal piece of high-end jewelry sitting perfectly under your television. Now, you might be thinking that all of these insane upgrades, the A17 Pro chip, the massive AI integration, the console-level gaming power, the Pro audio support, and the premium aluminum design will make the price of this new box completely skyrocket. But here's the biggest shocker of them all. Apple is reportedly planning to keep the price exactly where it currently is, and some insiders even suggest they might go a bit lower to completely crush the competition like Roku and Amazon Fire Stick. We're likely looking at just $129 for the base model, and if you want the premium version with an Ethernet port and Thread support for your smart home, it will likely just be $149. When you really stop and look at the value here, it is absolutely mind-blowing. For around $150, you're getting a device that is faster than most laptops from 5 years ago. You're getting an instant, local smart home hub. You're getting a stealth gaming console, and you're getting the absolute best 4K streaming experience on the entire planet. This is exactly why those warehouse shortages are so incredibly important to pay attention to right now. Apple is clearing the way for a revolutionary product that is going to entirely dominate the living room market for the next 5 years. So, my final verdict and personal opinion is extremely clear. If you're currently looking at buying an Apple TV, absolutely put your wallet away and wait. Do not buy the old model sitting on the shelf today. Even if you see it on a massive discount, it is a total trap. The current A15 chip is a complete dead end for the massive AI future that Apple is building right now. In just a few short weeks, that old glossy box is going to feel 10 years out of date. If you currently have an older, laggy Roku or a Fire Stick that constantly keeps freezing on you, your patience is about to be heavily rewarded. The 2026 Apple TV is going to be the absolute best day one tech purchase of the entire year. It perfectly bridges the gap between your phone, your home, and your entertainment, and Apple is about to turn your basic TV into a true supercomputer. If you loved this deep dive into the massive 2026 Apple TV leaks and want to stay ahead of the curve, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend who is thinking about upgrading their home theater, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another big leak. Let me know down in the comments below, are you going to buy the new Apple TV for the gaming features or the new AI Siri? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.